Hi Sagittarius. Ooh. Welcome to your energy reading, and this is for the week of the 28th December and leading up to, no, what am I saying, 28th November and leading up to December. I hope you're doing well, and let's see, what have we got for you in this upcoming week. This is a general reading, so just a reminder, as you may have noticed, I'm doing the reading a little bit differently. You get two views. I thought, having two views is much better than one. And it, logistically, it suits me at this point. So if that changes, then we may be down to just one view. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so Sagittarius, let's see what's up for you. Oh, I didn't intend to use this deck, but never mind. Since I have it, I'm gonna just shuffle and see what comes up. Okay, so the first one, we have Two of Swords. Two of Swords. Ooh, decision making, Sagittarius. Second card, we have Nine of Hearts. The third one, Ace of Swords. And then we have Guide of Wands, Five of Crystals, and a Midas Touch. Okay, Sagittarius. Wow, let's see. Okay, so the first card, we have Two of Swords. Let's see what the story is like for you. Decision-making time, right? You're facing some truths. You're still trying to decide what is it that you are going to sink your teeth into. Both, it's as if you have two options, and both options are true for you. They're right for you, and you're still making a decision. And then, when we move on to the Nine of Hearts, it seems as if the Nine of Hearts gives you a sense of fulfillment, right? So, the energy I'm getting is like you can't do anything wrong. So whichever choice that you decide, right, whether it is this or that, whatever it may be, right, in your life, both options seems to work for you. There is no wrong option in a sense, and you will feel quite fulfilled, very fulfilling, and you will face the truth head on. You are also the holder of truth, right? You uphold the truth, and it's about how you wish to communicate this truth, and you have two options: how you want to communicate it, how you want to do it, how you want to deliver it. This could be pertaining to your professional life or your life purpose, so to speak. Not so much about your personal life. It's more about how you're living your life, how the choices, the options that you're making with regards to your life. Because even with Ace of Swords, you're acing it, and you are upholding the truth really well, and you press on despite difficulty or despite opposition that you may face from other people, and you're still gonna continue. And then you have Guide of Wands. It's like a new path, a new journey has opened up for you. I feel as if this new path, new journey is connected to this. So you may start to do something new in your life, beginning of a new journey, which is very nice. I think you've had readings talking about new beginnings for a bit now, right? And then, this is very obvious, like it's a change of environment, a change of home, a change of workplace, a change of place, right? The change is very, very obvious in this particular energy. And then we have, the Midas Touch, right? We know the story of the Midas Touch. So the lesson here really is like not to forget your goal, not to be distracted by all that glitters is not gold, basically, right? So human relationship is very important to you as well. And you are encouraged to also develop those relationships and to know that, you know, successes without people in your life is not really success at all. Okay, so that's a very good reminder. But you're definitely going to a new beginning. Very exciting energies, you know, coming from all of the cards. Energetically, I feel this to be so. Let's pick some clarifiers and see, you know, what else are the messages saying to you, Sagittarius. So I'm using this deck. And so we have here simplicity. So you're asked to put your energy into the basics and let go of excess, right? Go back to basic, simple. It's okay to be different. Your life has always been different, and you are asked to continue to be different. You don't need to make, you know, you don't need to conform. You're not conformist anyway. And then water. Drink more water and eat foods with water in them. Water content. This seems to be saying that, you know, I mean, it's symbolically, right? It's talking about water. But it's not, I mean, you can of course drink more water, but it's also talking about emotional changes. There seems to be a little bit of an emotional thing going on. Could be relationship, okay? A little bit of emotional upheaval. Also moving with the flow, moving with the emotional flow. You're encouraged to do that as well. Let's see. I want to pick more cards. Let's see what we get from this particular deck here. It's clarifiers for Sagittarius. So you have new beginnings. You have sense of satisfaction. You're acing the truth. You're upholding the truth really well. You're starting a new path. Huge changes. And to be aware, you know, the Midas touch story, to lose focus on that. Enlightenment. Okay, so this big change is really about your spiritual progress, your spiritual growth. You're hitting a new level, a new doorway you're entering into with regards to your spiritual growth, spiritual progress. It's coming. And we have children. So if your work is with working with children, looking after children, educating children, you're on the right track. Or younger people for that matter, not necessarily children, but people who have not developed their consciousness, people who are still operating from their inner child consciousness, right? They are children. So they have not grown up in consciousness, and that's really the focus of your work and the direction to go as well. So your work could be working with people who have not grown up psychologically, or you could be working with actual children. It's part of your path that will lead you to spiritual enlightenment, or just enlightenment in general, not necessarily, you know, basically this card is just saying you're growing, you know, you're growing your personal development, you're growing spiritually, a lot of growth happening, so it's all good. And then we have memories. Cherish memories of loved ones. All right, are there people in your life who has, you know, recently passed, or people that you remember from your past who have, you know, really made a big impact in your life? Maybe you want to think back about the times that you had with them, and what kind of wisdom did you get out from the relationship or the connection that you had with the people, right? Loved ones. Potential. Very big potential for your future. Sorry, that was a glare. Very big potential for your future. So you're asked to think big, and it could be something really unexpected. You know, it probably didn't cross your mind at all, but it seems to be coming, right? This week, the energy seems to be presenting that for you. Very interesting. Let's look at the deck from, this is the Divine Abundance deck. Now this is a thick deck, basically because I combine two decks into one 2 decks arrived for me. I ordered online and 2 decks arrived. So I thought it would be good to combine 2. And if you get the same card twice, then it's really an emphasis, right? So let's see what we have for you, Sagittarius. Now, if you like the message so far, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel to grow, and so that I can reach out to more people who may need to listen to these messages as well. So I thank you in advance for liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Okay, so let's see. Loss. So you may need to lose something in order to gain something. Sorry, I keep putting it under the light. Sometimes you learn through offering through loss. You make a passionate invitation for love to take over and bring her own path instead of the ego's. So loss of the ego, that's good news. To lose the ego means you allow the divine to step in, right? And that will give you greater abundance. So you might want to consider, think about what is it that you need to release, what is it that you need to let go of, that you may still be attached to. Sorry, the cards keep dropping. All right, so ask yourself that, what is it that you need to lose in order to gain more? Okay. Right, now let's see. Sanctity. Through offering, even the most mundane problem can become a sacrament. Very nice. Trust. Allow me, divine, to give you my deepest longings, trusting you to know exactly how to handle them. So trust, surrendering is important. Trust is important for you this week. Divine source, help me know all that my deepest needs will be met. Let me trust that you have a plan and the right actions will come. You are my source for all. So it's while you need to make a decision, you need to also surrender, and you may not know what the next step is, but it doesn't matter, because you're asked to trust in a divine source, and ultimately the right thing will come to you. So all you need to do is to be grounded, to be aware, to welcome the change, to stand firm in your truth. And when that happens, you'll be in the right place at the right time. Okay? And a very nice reading for you, Sagittarius. I feel like this month, right, this upcoming month of December for you is, I mean, besides being your birthday season, it feels like you're entering a completely new cycle in life. And so, you know, your cards are conveying that. And so that's pretty exciting, Sagittarius. Let's have an inspirational card for you. If you want an inspirational card for Sagittarius, let's go. Protect your dreams. You are the guardian of your precious dreams, and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you're ready to release them. If you've been dreaming a lot, or you have dreams of the future, like what you want to build for the future, you know, any kind of dreams, protect them well, and they will, you know, they will show up for you, and they will not fail you, and you will get what you need as you continue in your path ahead. Have a wonderful week, Sagittarius, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.